you there are two issues that come from what you've said. First of all, thank you for calling me the Sachin Tendulkar of elections. I would have rather been the Sachin Tendulkar of cricket, but that's another question for another day. My question to you is, A, you kept saying cosmopolitan Hyderabad. Is Hyderabad really cosmopolitan? Has this election shown in a way that Hyderabad is also getting divided? The kind of campaign the BJP ran, the kind of campaign you are accused of running as a counter to the BJP, that Hyderabad is also getting polarized on Hindu-Muslim lines, or dare I say Hindutva versus MIM or Hindutva versus non-Hindutva lines. Is that true or not?
Rajdeep, again, I would tell you that I don't know whether you have really seen the results. Let me remind you that your colleagues in your channel were tom-tomming that, oh, BJP has entered Owaisi's home. Rajdeep, in my Hyderabad Parliament constituency, there are 40 municipal wards. I contested 34 and I won 33. In the Secunderabad Parliament constituency headed by Mr. Kishan Reddy, who's the MOS, Rajdeep, how many seats did BJP win? How many seats did MIM won? 9 seats. TRS won 18 seats. 13 seats were won by BJP.
No.
And please understand that it also includes Malkajgiri Parliament segment.
Asaduddin Owaisi, that's about a 35.
Please allow me.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
My last point to you was that BJP has won 48 seats. Look at the campaign of BJP and then you accuse me, please show me one speech of mine. It is the BJP who said they will do surgical strike in Old City in my constituency. The people of Old City gave them a democratic strike. The BJP accused that there were 30,000 Rohingyas on voter list. Who is the MOS home? It is Kishan Reddy. Who is the Home Minister? Amit Shah. BJP accused Old City of having Bangladeshis, Afghanis. I mean, who ran this campaign? They called me Jinnah, a 4-time MP who has taken oath in Allah's name on India's constitution. You call me Jinnah. So it is the BJP who has indulged in communal rhetoric. We as a political party, we ensured that the agenda has to be the work which we have done. And yes, we countered BJP by saying that, we will not allow the name of Hyderabad to be changed. I mean, it is the BJP who had upped the ante. It is the BJP who talked all this nonsense. It is not the MIM party.
No. The BJP may have upped the ante, but what is the result of it? Is the result of it a fracturing of Hyderabad's so-called cosmopolitanism, where today the BJP says if we come to power, we'll rename it as Bhagyanagar, we will get rid of the Nizam's culture, and you as a result are also seen as a spokesperson of the Muslim community of Hyderabad. Is this sort of battle at one level between Owaisi on one side and the BJP on the other becoming, in Hyderabad at least, a potential divider of the city? And parties like the TRS and the Congress find themselves lost. The Congress disintegrating and the TRS being accused of being hand in glove with you, and they don't want to openly even say that now because they fear they will be dubbed then as a pro-Muslim party. That's the tragedy of Hyderabad.
Rajdeep, thank you once again for making me the focus of all the ills prevailing in Hyderabad and India. What kind of question is this? We contest 51, we win 44. We have an 86% strike rate. We work on the ground day in, day out. We don't. Do you know that I have 3 Hindu corporators who have won? Ask BJP how many Muslim corporators they have won. Please ask them. This is the 4th time Rajmohan has won with the highest majority.
Not a single, not one.
Swami Yadav from Karwan. Not one, not even one Muslim corporator could win from BJP. So who's indulging in communal rhetoric? Who's trying to divide the Hyderabad's diversity, its pluralism, or its Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb if it is left? It is not me. I am giving you empirical evidence. It is for you to decide. But you say I am responsible. I go to Bihar. You say, oh, because of you, Congress.
I didn't
lost.
say that.
I
didn't say that.
51 seats
I didn't
out
say
of
that.
150. Rajdeep, you don't
I
need
didn't
to
say that you are
your
responsible for the
innuendos
division.
and your
I'm saying,
insinuations
no, 1 minute.
are good enough.
No, please hear me out. No, Mr. Owaisi, hear me out. I am saying that the BJP is using the specter of Asauddin Owaisi in some way dominating Hyderabad politics to consolidate its own base. And that kind of narrative, in a way, will eventually, some people fear, end up polarizing Hyderabad, because whether you like it or not, you will be forced to take a position, and the BJP is determined to make you, in a way, the hate figure to be targeted. That's my point.
Rajdeep, please understand that if Asaduddin Owaisi is being used to polarize, then why didn't the BJP win in Hyderabad Parliament constituency? Why did Asaduddin Owaisi party won more seats? In Secunderabad Parliament constituency, which is represented by Mr. Kishan Reddy, how is it that I win 9 municipal wards, TRS win 18? And Rajdeep, are you trying to tell me that there is no polarization in India? Rajdeep, in which world are you living? Please come out of the comforts of your Aaj Tak studio. BJP has won 308 Lok Sabha seats.
I've never said that again.
And not even a single Muslim MP is there.
I've never said that.
Rajdeep, you have asked me that question. No, your problem is when someone replies you back with facts and exposes you, you immediately raise your hand. Oh, I didn't ask you that. Rajdeep, country is deeply polarized.
Mr. Owaisi,
we are now seeing a majoritarian form of politics in India. That is the reality. If you still don't wake up and see this, I am sorry to say, Rajdeep, you have to come out of the confines of your studio and see. Why is it that everywhere you see, why isn't there a Muslim minister in Bihar? Please tell me, the BJP and JDU are there. Why is it that now the Muslim number have come down in Bihar? Because of me. Everything is related to me. I know that I am the new Laila of Indian politics, and people like you and BJP and Amit Shah are all my Majnoos. The secular liberals are my Majnoos. The Rajdeep Sardesai is my Majnoo. The BJP and the Congress are my Majnoo. So Asaduddin Owaisi is the new Laila of Indian politics. Welcome. Please start loving me.